Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.
Hello there, this video is all about contest at laughing. If you have a chicken that's good at laughing, your chicken can join this contest. Ayam Ketawa, or the Indonesian laughing chicken, is a breed of long-crowing chicken known for the clarity of its crow, which has an unusual similarity to a human laugh. Originating from Indonesia's South Sulawesi province, the Ayam Ketawa was originally a status symbol for the region's Buganese royal family. Its captivating appearance made it a symbol of courage, social status, and heroism. But if you know Indonesian, you will have noticed that the breed's name, Ayam Ketawa, literally translates to laughing chicken. That's because this chicken's unusual chuckling noises seem to mimic human laughter. It is this distinct characteristic that makes the Ayam Ketawa popular as an exotic pet, not just in its native Indonesia, but around the world. Like with many other domestic birds, the exact origin of the Ayam Ketawa breed is unclear. However, it is believed that breeders crossbred various types of local chickens until they obtain the desired traits for a distinctive looking and entertaining bird. It is estimated that the breed has been around for at least 350 years. Many people in Indonesia is interested in Ayam Ketawa. Some of them only keep it as a house pet for ornamental purpose. Some of them choose to grow it well to produce Ayam Ketawa with amazing sounds, so they can join and win the contest. In the competition, there is no standard for the assessment. Each area has a different standard. For example, area A has 3 standards: voice, plumage color, and the pasture. In area B has 2 standards: voice and body pasture. The important matter is that, from different criteria to be assessed, there is always voice assessment. In the contest of Ayam Ketawa, this is the basic, the compulsory, and the most important assessment in the contest. You can search for funny rooster videos from some sources to see how amazing laughing chicken when crowing. With the excellence of the laughing chicken sound, combined with the beautiful color that shows its Indonesian characteristic, makes Ayam Ketawa can attract fancy chicken collectors. The winner of the contest will probably reward his owner with a trophy or other prize. What is even more wonderful is, the winner can obtain million rupiahs if the level of the competition is quite high. By considering this quite prospect, there are a lot of fancy chicken collectors who see this as a great business opportunity. In the poultry farming, they begin to breed this laughing roosters for sale. Imagine if you run a business of laughing rooster breed that can bring a lot of customers to you. Those who search for laughing rooster for contests will come to you. This is what can happen to you when you are running this chicken poultry business seriously. You can sell not only the laughing rooster itself, but also the others such as Ayam Ketawa eggs, Ayam Ketawa chicks, Ayam Ketawa hens, and so forth. There are 3 types of laughing rooster that we can find in general, thanks to laughing rooster breed that has already created some unique sound. Some of them are like the sound of kuntilanak, Indonesian lady ghost with horrible but shrill voice. Some of them can produce long sounds. Recently, there is 3 classification of laughing chicken sound. They are: number 1 is Gretek or Garit. This is a type of Ayam Ketawa that can produce laughing sound with a quick laugh. When they are crowing, the interval of the tone is tight with the vocal of r, and the laugh is long. Number 2 is Goga. It is a laughing chicken type whose voice interval is slow and sometimes disconnected, as it almost stops but still continues. This chicken usually has an interval tone with the vocal of ka, kokaka, and generally the voice is short or medium. Number 3 is Dodo. The crow of this laughing chicken type can be heartbreaking the listeners. It can cause the listeners feeling like heartbroken due to its voice. From the classification of those laughing rooster crow can be divided again into one type of sound, namely crystal. The winner may reward his owner with a trophy and prize document, and might bring hundreds or thousands of dollars if sold, depending on the size of the competition. In other poultry shows and appearance are biggest points. These are the trophies and certificate for the winner of the contest.